You always got something.
I know.
What you got now, Kathy?
Go ahead, Tommy.
Huh?
Go ahead. He should have done his Christmas Day, but go ahead.
Joanne.
Oh, I didn't, huh?
Huh?
I didn't get home until
It's a surprise.
It's cold.
This is your Christmas present.
Joanne,
This is.
I know that you've been looking for a SUV because you have talked about SUV.
Yes, darling.
Uh-huh. Well, due to the fact that I didn't have SUV money,
Okay. I got a dump truck.
well, not a dump truck, but you got a car.
I got a car?
Yeah.
Turn around. You're leaning on it.
I'm leaning on it.
You're leaning
Yes,
on
you're
it.
leaning
Now, now I'm the po folk driving this old truck over here. It's stripped.
So you get to drive the truck?
Yeah. So were you surprised?
Oh God, it works. This is actually the key.
It better work.
It better work. Now, this car came from nobody but the one and only,
Kathy, yeah.
Kathy Melestina. Huh?
You cracked me
Get in
up.
it.
Notice the mats you got in the floor.
Notice
John
the
got
mats.
you.
John got the mats.
I didn't get any mats when I had it.
She
You
didn't
didn't
get no
get any
mats.
mats?
No,
I don't
she
get
didn't
nothing.
I got Malibu mats.
Yeah.
Now you don't touch the key. I mean, don't touch the
The
no light
lights.
switch or nothing.
Well, good. They all come on.
They all come
And cut
on
off. Yeah.
and go off by itself.
Good. That's what I like.
Huh?
That's what I like. Thank you.
All right, now we're going to show her how to do OnStar and all that. Now you can. Go ahead.
God, thank you, darling.
I close my eyes, Kathy.
You're so full of crap. Now you can do it.
Seats.
Heated seats, new car.
Thank you for the gift, Kathy.
Hey, you crack me up.
A gift. Well, you know one thing, when
I'm so rich I can just give them away.
if I ever come slavery, I'm moving here. I'm moving here.
You're so full of it. I swear. Man.
This is a nice car, though. It's really a nice car.
Well, enjoy it.
I will.
I'll make you a little video of this so you can have it. I'll put it on your Facebook page. So you can look at it.
Yeah, that's a nice car.